Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the cradle and net. This is essential. Check that the cradle is level and bolts are secure because an unstable base defeats the net. Measure from the ceiling or support to the cradle. Note that dimensions determine hook placement. Select a net with 2 mm mesh for insect protection and airflow. Make sure there are no holes. Once done, lay out 2 hooks, a hoop or frame, and soft ties so you can install without pausing. You now install the support and drape the net. Precision matters. Mark points on the ceiling 1-2 centimeters beyond the cradle edges so the net fully overlaps. This prevents gaps. Drill pilot holes, insert anchors if masonry, then screw in hooks. Mount the hoop or frame centered 20-30 centimeters above the mattress to keep fabric off the baby. Hanging higher reduces contact. Once the frame is secure, unfold the net, drape evenly, and pull the hem under the cradle rails, fastening with soft ties. You finish by checking seals and testing the installation. Safety is the goal. Inspect every seam and the base perimeter. Seal gaps so nothing larger than 1 centimeter remains. Gently press the net in several spots. Make sure it doesn't sag onto the sleeping surface because contact impedes airflow and risks entanglement. If it sags, tighten the ties, raise the frame, or add a second support ring. Troubleshooting tip: if you find a tear, replace the net immediately. Small repairs are not reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.